Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I make my eyebrows as full as possible, but still natural looking. This is kind of my go-to brow style for on a daily basis. I don't always do this when I film my videos because sometimes they look a little bit too neutral in comparison or yeah, kind of like combined with the dramatic eye makeup looks I make, but this is my favorite brow routine for on a daily basis. So the first thing I'm going to do is brush through my brow hairs to kind of brush them up a little bit and making sure that all the hairs are not kind of bushy. Then I'm taking this product from Anastasia Beverly Hills, which is their brow pen. I'm taking this in the color dark brown. And I'm going to use this product to create really tiny fake hair strokes. I'm applying these strokes on all the places where I'm seeing some gaps in my brow area. I feel like especially the beginning of my eyebrow is quite thin. There are not like a lot of hairs in comparison like to the middle center of my eyebrow. So I really focus mainly on the inner part of my brow and also the outer end of my brow. But I'm kind of making little strokes on all the places where I feel like it could look a little bit fuller. Now, what I think is important when it comes to this step, of course, you want to make sure you pick a color that suits your own natural hair color of your eyebrows. You could go a shade like darker if you want the hairs to be a little bit more stand out, if that makes sense. I think the strokes that I'm making are also a little bit darker than my own natural color. But I have black hair, so I can definitely pull it off. But if you maybe have blonde hair, you want to make sure you don't go too dark. Or of course, if that's the look you're going for, you can always go darker. Sometimes I think it's so pretty when someone has light hair, but they have really dark brows. I don't know. It can look really pretty. So this is just a personal preference. Just do what you think looks best on you. And you want to make sure that you use a light hand because you don't want the lines to be too thick or too dark. You want them to look as thin as possible. So I'm trying to make sure to use a really light hand. I'm also going to show you how I hold the pen. I'm always kind of leaning with my hand on my face. So this just works a little bit easier in comparison that if I would do it without leaning on my face. I always do my brows before applying foundation. So if I do lean on my face, it doesn't really matter. You can see how I'm holding the pen in my hand. So with my pinky, I'm kind of leaning onto my cheek. This way I have a little bit more control on the brow pen, if that makes sense. But of course, if you have a full face of foundation on, you want to be a little bit more careful because you don't want to ruin your foundation. In that case, you could use a cotton pad in between your hand and your face, so it's just gonna transfer less. So you can see the before and after so far. This is how it looks up close. And now I'm gonna use this mascara. Now this is kind of optional. You could also just use a brow gel, but I don't have a brow gel dark enough. I want it to be as dark as possible so it matches with my hair. So lately I have been using this mascara from MAC Cosmetics, which is called the Giga Black Lash Extended Mascara. So I'm just using it on my brows. It's not the best way because mascara can be a little bit thicker, but for some reason it works on me and I've been just liking it this way. And also because I'm using a really dark shade, it's also gonna make my own natural brow hairs stand out a little bit more because my brow hairs are not black. They're more like dark brown, I think. So this way they're gonna stand out more and it's gonna give the effect that my brows are a little bit thicker, darker, fuller. So yeah, that's why I'm doing this. And also this mascara doesn't have like a really thick giant mascara wand, so that makes it a lot easier as well. It's still kind of long, but it's really thin, as you can see. So yeah, I just really like to use this, but of course you can use mascara as well. And then now you can see the before and after. I think it looks really good. It definitely makes my brows look a lot fuller. So now I'm gonna do the exact same thing as I did at the other side on my other brow as well. And then here you can see the before and after. I really hope this video was helpful. If you have any more questions, don't hesitate to leave them down in the comment section. I just hope this video was helpful and that it will help you to create your dream brows, make them look really natural. This is definitely something that I have been doing off camera, and it's really quick and easy. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy, and hopefully I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.
How long has it been since I kissed you? I don't wanna wait. How long has it been since you held me?